You're beating us.
Feel the point of my
It's your
anger,
turn.
scoundrel.
What you sense, master? Yes, master.
Alright.
Where am I?
It's the one with the arrow bouncing.
Okay, Vicky. You know, I'm going to use the gun on you. I'm using missiles on you.
Okay, use the missile.
And guess what's going to, it's going to hurt, Dad. Or who are you?
Don't worry about who I am. You just shoot somebody who's not you.
Is that me?
You gotta. No, that's not you. Now shoot him up. There you go. Fire. That didn't work so well.
What did that do?
Oh, that's why you're right next to a magnet. Ah.
The magnet
Did you just shoot yourself?
Kobe shot himself.
An accident.
Oh, I got a bomb dropped on him.
Oh.
Heh. My turn.
You're done. Who are you? Oh, who is that?
Sir, yes, sir.
No.
Oh,
No.
I can't use my donkey yet.
Why can't you use your donkey? You can. Oh yeah, that wasn't going to hurt you.
I just screwed myself.
I told you that wasn't going to hurt me. Don't hurt yourself.
I did hurt myself a lot.
Not. I'm the soccer ball and I'm still alive.
Reinforcements incoming.
I'm still alive.
You are still alive.
Oh, you can't get me. I'm gonna kill ya.
Okay, there's two of my guys gone. In the water. I can't get them back.
You have to do somebody else.
And my other two guys are poisoned. What the hell is this? Your turn, buddy.
Can I kill you?
You can try.
Oh yeah. Oh, I got a better plan.
Uh-oh.